Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the replacement pads match your Skullcandy model and ear cup diameter, because fit is function. Once you have the right pads, put the headphones on a clean, flat surface and remove any cable. Use a small flat pry tool to lift the pad edge. Slow, even pressure prevents tearing. If a glued ring holds the pad, gently apply a small amount of isopropyl to loosen adhesive. Make sure to protect the driver from liquid and dust while you work. Now you fit the new pad by first aligning its mounting flange with the ear cup groove so the seam sits uniformly. Starting at one point, tuck the pad lip into the groove and work around the cup in small sections, stretching the material gently so the tension is even. This ensures full contact and long life. Once done, press every segment into the groove with your fingers, checking for pop tabs. Make sure you do not press on the driver itself. Hold the inner mesh steady as you work for a snug, secure fit. With pads seated, inspect the seal visually and by feel. An even, flush gap around the cup prevents sound leakage and preserves bass. Next, plug in and play familiar tracks at low volume to confirm no rubbing or imbalance. If you hear distortion, power off and recheck pad seating and cable connections. If a pad is loose, reseat it or apply a thin adhesive strip sparingly. Make sure it cures fully. Troubleshooting tip: if bass is weak, recheck the lip alignment, because an unseated pad commonly causes poor low-frequency response.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.